Are you looking to significantly enhance your engine's performance? Our high-quality common rail fuel injector 5,263,308,445,236 is the perfect solution for all your needs. Designed specifically for compatibility with Bosch injectors, this injector is an ideal fit for the Komatsu PC300-8 in a wide range of diesel engines, providing superior performance and reliability. Manufactured by Dongguan is high-technology co-limited. Our fuel injectors are crafted from premium materials that ensure longevity and optimal functionality. You can trust our product to withstand demands of heavy machinery. High-quality engine parts common rail fuel injector 5,208,445,120,236. For Bosch brand, injector 5,208,445,120,236. Our injector is engineered to replace Bosch injectors flawlessly. This means you won't have to worry about fitting issues or compromise performance. Experience peace of mind knowing you're using a part that integrates perfectly with your engine. We understand that downtime is costly, which is why our injector installation. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a DI enthusiast, you'll find that installing this injector is quick and hassle-free. High-quality common rail fuel injector 5,263,345,120,236. Compatible with Bosch and Komatsu engines. Our competitive pricing for both wholesale and retail options makes it easier for you to manage your budget without sacrificing quality. You'll receive an exceptional product at a price that fits your needs. We stand behind our products with a 12-month warranty. This gives you the confidence to purchase, knowing that if any issues arise, we're here to every step of the way. OE number 50,633,445,120,236. Application compatible with various excavators and heavy machinery, ensuring versatile use in the field. Investing in high-quality engine components is crucial for maintaining and improving the efficiency of your machinery. Our injector not only boosts performance but also enhances fuel efficiency, leading to cost savings in the long run. In a world where machinery breakdowns can halt productivity, choosing reliable parts is essential for minimizing downtime. Don't let apart injectors slow you down. Upgrade your engine with our reliable fuel injection. Experience the difference. For inquiries or to place an order, reach out to us. What's WeChat IT509,025,030. Email sales@vidishi.com.